Hello. Welcome to the Unveiled Wisdom English Series. Today, we are going to practice your English listening skills with a simple Level 1 story. The story is called The Forgotten Wallet. Here is how this lesson works. First, I will read the story very slowly. Second, I will give you a listening task. Third, I will read the same story again at normal speed. Finally, we will learn some important vocabulary. Relax. Take a deep breath. And let's begin. It was a rainy Tuesday morning. John wanted a cup of hot coffee. He put on his coat and walked outside. The air was cold and wet. John arrived at the coffee shop on the corner. It was warm inside. It smelled like roasted coffee beans and sugar. John stood in line. There were 3 people in front of him. Finally, it was John's turn. The barista smiled at him. She said, "Good morning. What would you like today?" John answered, "I would like a large cappuccino and a chocolate croissant, please." The barista said, "That will be $5.50. John reached into his right pocket to get his wallet. It was empty. He checked his left pocket. It was also empty. John froze. His face turned red. He looked at the people waiting behind him. He felt very embarrassed. John said, "I am so sorry. I think I left my wallet at home." He turned to leave the coffee shop. But then, a voice behind him said, "Wait." An older man in a blue suit stepped forward. The man said to the barista, "Put it on my bill." Everyone forgets their wallet sometimes. John was surprised. He said, "Thank you, sir. That is very kind." The old man smiled and said, "Just pay it forward next time." John enjoyed his coffee that day. It tasted like kindness. Now, listen carefully. I will read the story again at normal speed. But first, here is your question. Why did the old man decide to help John? Listen for the answer. It was a rainy Tuesday morning. John wanted a cup of hot coffee, so he put on his coat and walked outside. The air was cold and wet. He arrived at the coffee shop on the corner. It was warm inside and smelled like roasted coffee beans and sugar. John stood in line. There were 3 people in front of him. Finally, it was John's turn. The barista smiled and asked what he would like. John ordered a large cappuccino and a chocolate croissant. The barista told him the price was $5.50. John reached into his pocket for his wallet, but it was not there. He checked again. It was empty. John felt embarrassed and looked at the people behind him. He apologized and said he had forgotten his wallet at home. As John turned to leave, an older man stepped forward and told the barista to put it on his bill. He said that everyone forgets their wallet sometimes. John thanked the man. The man smiled and told him to pay it forward next time. John enjoyed his coffee that day. It tasted like kindness. Now, let us learn 4 important words. Word number 1. Barista. A barista is a person who works in a coffee shop and makes coffee. Word number 2. Embarrassed. Embarrassed means feeling shy or uncomfortable because of a mistake. Word number 3. Bill. A bill is the paper that shows how much money you must pay. Word number 4. Pay it forward. Pay it forward means doing something kind for another person because someone was kind to you. Now, the answer to the question. Why did the old man help John? Because he believed in kindness and understood that everyone makes mistakes. Did you get it right? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for listening. If you want to improve your English, listen to this story every night before you sleep. Subscribe for more lessons. Good night.